Hi. Today, someone asked me, how do I make the size of the header and footer smaller on a Google Doc so that I can get more space on my page? So, today, brought to you by that question, is a segment about page margins, header and footer, and page numbers in Google Docs. So, the first thing that you would do is go to drive.google.com, press on the New button in the upper left, and select a new Google Doc. As part of our best practices, we should always name our document right away. So this is going to be page margin demo. And now I can begin. So in order to adjust page margins, you'll see that I cannot go up any further. I'm locked in right here. I'm going to go to File, Page Setup, and under page setup, I can adjust the margins to whatever I want. So here I can make them super, super tiny, or I could make them bigger. I can also change the paper size. And if I really wanted to have fun with it, I could change the color. So you can really have a lot of fun with this. So if you look, see how far my cursor jumped up, but I'm going to adjust them back to an inch to show you some header and footer things. So again, I go to File, Page Setup, and I can adjust my margins there, which gives me more or less space on the document to work with. So in order to look at a header or footer, you simply take your cursor and double click into the space where the header or footer would be. So this is a good place to put something like, created on 11/11/16. So that you have maybe that notation to any user or any viewer, that's when it was created, or you could have any other information in the header. And you can also put information in the footer, which is typically where we like to put page numbers. So again, to look at the footer, I just click within the bottom of the page and the footer is there. So I like to put page numbers on a document if it's going to be long. So I'm going to go to Insert, Page Number. And if you look at those pictograms, it should show you exactly what you're getting. So I'm in the footer, so I'm going to insert down here. And I actually want page 1 to show up on the first page, but if I had a title page, I would use the second option, which is it only shows up on the second page and from there on. But I'm going to put this option, and it puts the 1 right there. I'm actually going to move that to the right side. But something that is also fun is I can have page 1 of, and then I can even insert the total page count. This particular document only has 1 page for now, but if I hit enter all the way down, I've got 1 of 2 now, and it's automatically updating. And this is 2 of 2, and now it updates to 2 of 3. So again, let's just recap really quickly. So I go to File, Page Setup, and I can adjust the margins and many other things within the page setup. That's under File. And if I want to look at my header or footer, I can double click into that part of the page and make edits there, just as you would in any other document. And if I want to insert page numbers, I hit Insert, Page Number, and I pay attention to the pictogram to see where it's going to go on the page and if it's going to include the first or the first page or not. And page count can also insert that total page count. So if I have a long document, it can say I'm in page 3 of 9 or what have you. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.